Good morning, everyone. I'm Amrita Tiwari from SGI Bhopal, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology. I want to share the unit first of the financial management. So, we talk about the financial management firstly. What is financial management? Basically, I'm a saving for the retirement. What I used to the pension fund, mutual funds, direct stock market investment. I want that new cars. I should use my cash savings lease borrows, which is the best way to pay for my house. I'm thinking about the starting a new business. Will rewards be accurately? What is finance? Financials are the art, science, and management. Money. Meaning of business finance. Business finance is a business activity which is concerned with the acquisitions and conversion of capital funds of the meeting financial needs and overall objectives of business enterprises. Procurement and utilization of finance meanings on financial management. Meaning, what is meaning of the major? The basically a major area of finance is the financial services and financial management. What is financial management? Financial management refers to that part of the management activity which is concerned with the planning and controlling of the firms and financial resources. It deals with the finding out various sources of rising funds for the firms and also using such funds in the most appropriate manner. Financial management related disciplines. Financial management basically is the investment decisions, capital budgeting, working capital management, financial decisions, dividend policy decisions. And the supporting activities is primarily disciplines is accounting and economics. And support is related disciplines is marketing and production and quantitative. Resulting, the shareholders' funds is wealth management and maximization. Important of the financial management. Basically, financial management help in financial planning and successfully promotions of enterprises, acquisition of funds at a minimum cost, proper use of allocations of funds, taking sound financial decisions, improving the profitability through the financial control, increasing the wealth of investors, the nations, and promotions of mobilizations, individual corporation savings. Scope of financial management. Financial estimation, financial recruitments, short-term and long-term goals, deciding the capital structures, selecting a source of finance, selecting a pattern of investment, proper cash management, implementing the financial control and proper use of surpluses. Financial functions, long-term assets, fixed and investment decisions, capital mix of financial decisions, profit allocations and dividend decisions, short-term assets, mix liquidity decisions. Financial decisions, deciding when, where, from, how to accurate funds to meet the investment needs. Central issue, determining the optimum capital structure, mix of debt and equity. Capital structure with the minimum when optimizations when the market value of firm is maximized, risk and return trade-off. Also consider the factors such as control, flexibility, long agreement, and legal accepts, etc. Liquidity decisions. Investment is the current assets management or working capital management. Short-term survival is a peak equipment of the long-term success. Lack of liquidity, insolvency, extreme situations is profitability liquidity trade-off. Basic ingredients, overview of the capital management as a whole, efficiency management of the individual current assets. Investment decisions also refers the capital budgeting decisions involves in the decisions of allocations of capital of long-term assets that would yield the benefits of the future. And the future, the important aspects, the evaluations of the prospective profitability, measurement of cutoff rate of required rate of return. Evaluations should be made in terms of both return and risks and returns. The capital budgeting also involve the replacement decisions. Dividend decisions decide whether the firms should distribute all profit or retain them. Distribution of the portions then retain the balance. The proportion of the profit distribution, dividend payout ratio, the proportion of the profit retention ratio. In optimum dividend policy, maximize the market value of shares. Dividend can be paid either in cash or in shares, bonus shares. Is the elements of financial management, investment decision, capital budgeting decisions, long-term assets and their compositions, business risk, measurement of the cost of capital, working capital management, overview of the working capital, and efficient management of the individual current assets. Financial decisions, capital structure theory and decision, dividend decisions, dividend of the shareholders, retained profit. As we thank you for that particular topic. Actually, we follow the same in the next slide. Thank you so much.